about myself and myself only.
Good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's another chilly morning here at the Atlantic Ocean. I can't say Atlantic Ocean many times enough. I can't have enough of it. Anyway, today I'm doing something different. Instead of going to the desert, today I'm going on a catamaran. So my first time on a catamaran. I've been on boats before, on ships before, never a catamaran. So on this one, we're on a quest to see seals, dolphins, I think pelicans, and if we're lucky we can see some big whales or something like that. And so let's hope we are lucky. It's going to be a fun around 4 hours and it's going to be chilly too, but I'll be fine anyway. I'll always have fun. Alright, so let's see how that goes.
I've never really been the one who's worried, always been the one who's keeping it cool. The kind of guy who chill while others hurry. I didn't know that I've been the fool. I've been telling lies about something real, but I know love is based on honesty. Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free.
Right? So we get the galactic color, if it is color. Okay? Alright, and then they eat fish. Whereby they eat like 1.2 kg of fish per day. And then they always cook fish when they are big. Yeah, it's only when they fish at the shore. They came under the deep sea.
I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from, was asking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. Well, I am made to be free. That's my choice, what I need to be free. Still thinking.
Hey, well done. Like every time I tell that to come on board because they are friendly, obviously the female one. Yes. So see, I'll be putting the chain on the fish first and it's going to chain it so they have to get it first. Okay, so this is very just the way they throw and they give it to the neck. So without turning it, then it has to get it first. So they also know what to do and not what to do as well. Okay. Yes, they're also smart,
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
If you need grab there are 5 baskets of oysters. Each basket will have 500 oysters. Meaning you're supposed to
On the
put
road
on
with a couple of tunes in it.
when the person processing takes 9 months.
Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a
But the
really
owner,
good time.
got each and every of the
Driving in the middle
the
of the
basket
night,
in there.
the stars are bright.
Then start from them.
Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far.
We just spotted a whale, but it was so elusive. We just saw the tail mostly, but you're gonna see what I saw.
Africans and Walvis and Germans as well. So, you know, due to the climate change, they are now only seeing seasonal, mostly winter, from June to early October. Actually seeing whales now, we are actually lucky, yeah? Yes, so only by luck, so they are now start to go up.
Whoa.
Yeah. So they are not like dolphins.
We ended up spending the next couple of minutes chasing the whale. Literally, we were just like looking at where it emerges a little bit and we go there because we wanted to see it, and we saw it several times, like you'll be able to see on the previous video and on this one, on the previous clip, and on this one you can see like the tails just there, and it was so awesome just seeing that. It was my first time seeing a whale in real life, and it was quite surreal, and it was off season, that's why there were not many of them, and so it was really awesome. I'm sure the whale is wondering, why are these things following me? I kept going. I'm good. It's like you're driving and another car is following you, and you're like, why are they following me?
Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair.
Yeah?
This is a special point where land meets sea. So basically desert meets sea. And the seals hang out here because there are no predators.
It's a female one, so yeah, that's a woman, yeah. So meaning
Out of town, see the beautiful world.
We're now having to see some dolphins.
Pack our bags and get in that car. Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two.
So we are now ready for lunch, and we have some champagne, so it's a very nice package. We're having oysters, and it's my first time trying oysters, so let's see how that goes.
I am made to be free.
I need his help. I don't know how to eat it. Johnny, can you
show her how to eat an oyster.
He's doing it. Yeah.
Tabasco on it. Okay, so you put it on. You spice it up. Pepper, Tabasco, salt, whatever you want, lemon. Chili is.
No, don't put chili.
Maybe the pepper.
Yeah, pepper would be okay. Yeah, that's okay.
Lemon.
It's okay.
You loosen up a bit. At the end. Yes.
Dangerous. No, I love it.
There's another one.
Because it's
Yeah.
fresh.
There you go. There you go.
Okay.
You get it up yourself. Spice it up.
Yeah.
And then loosen up. Long time.
Okay. Gabi,
This is like what the other people do.
There you go, huh? That's very nice. There you go. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. There you go.
Well done.
thank you.
for two. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time. Driving in the middle of the night.
So that's the end of the Catamaran tour. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe, like, share, the usual. And here is a boat trip. Oh, and our friend.
Let's get out, we can leave this
Washroom and sink.
Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside
And
is
there
so
is
pretty.
3 hours.
The wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life on one day?
Thank you. Oh my god. I'm about to fall when I'm getting here. Imagine. Thank you so much. Yes. You're safe. I will, definitely. Okay, bye. And that is it.
Yeah, the countryside is so pretty.
Hey.
With the wind blowing in your hair. We can look
That
back
also ends my trip to
someday.
Swakopmund and the Walvis.
Understand
Till next time.
that we only get one life.
And once again, the desert meets the sea. It's so wonderful to see those two very different natural phenomena meet and like this. It's just wonderful. And subscribe for more like this. See you next time. Thank you.